How to sign in Google Chat. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have installed the Google Chat application in your mobile device. Tap on the Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. Click on the search icon and in the search bar, go ahead and search for Google Chat. Tap on the application and make sure to install the app first and foremost. After the application is installed, tap on the Open button. Tap on Allow to every permission it asks for. Now to your surprise, Google Chat will automatically sign up for you without any hassle. Yes, you have heard it right. Google Chat will use the same Google account that is associated with the App Store or your Play Store, which means you don't have to manually type in your email address or password to log in into your Google Chat. If you wish to switch between different of account, all you need to do is just press on this user icon, then change or switch up to any of the Google account that you desire. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.